Hey guys, it's me Kate and I'm back with another tutorial video with you again. And in this video, I'm gonna show you some simple steps on how you can turn off dark mode on Messenger. So let's get started. On your device, go ahead and open Messenger app. As you can see, I'm on my Messenger home screen. After that, on your top left hand corner, you will see three line icon option. So tap on there, and then you will see in setting icon option just behind your profile. Tap on there again, and you will see multiple options. You might see dark mode on the first option, so just tap on there. Here my dark mode is turned on, so if I tap on this off option right here, my dark mode is turned off. And you might see in system option just below the on option. If you select that, this dark mode will be applied according to your phone device or system device. So for now we will go with off. So in this way your dark mode is turned off. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to the channel and if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and get updated with more videos. If you made it till the end, thank you for watching again, and we will see you on next video.